Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Mozilla Firefox error SEC, error unknown issuer. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. The first thing I would suggest would be to make sure your time and date settings are correct down here, and then check other websites as well to see if it's just one specific website, in which case this tutorial will probably not apply, but if this is coming up across many different websites, hopefully this will be able to help. And if other browsers are working fine as well, that's definitely a sign that this tutorial will probably be pertaining to your case, because we're going to be opening up Mozilla Firefox here. So you want to go in the URL bar up here, type in about :config. So don't actually spell out colon, just type a colon. So the shift and then the colon key on the keyboard. So again, about :config, like you see on my screen. Hit enter on your keyboard. Select I accept the risk. And now I'm going to have something in the description of the video if you want to copy it. Otherwise, you can go into the address bar here and just type in security.enterprise. You want to right click on it and then select toggle because you want the value to be true here. So if it says false, you want to make it true. So now go ahead and just navigate over to whatever website you were having the problem with before, and hopefully your issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.